Mornings. Musk awakens each morning at approximately 7 a.m. He states that he prefers to sleep between 6 and 6.5 hours per night. Sleeping in is not an option for him, as he claims it has a greater negative effect on his performance than sleeping less. He showers, dresses, and enjoys a morning cup of coffee after waking. He claims, however, that he is frequently in such a hurry that he skips breakfast on most days. When he does have breakfast, he prefers an omelet. He mentioned during a Reddit AMA that showering is the most important part of his day. He claims that without his shower, he does not feel in the right frame of mind, and that it is a critical part of waking up and preparing him to face the day's challenges. Following that, he drops his children off at school and drives to work. Musk claims to work 80 to 100-hour workweeks on a regular basis, with the majority of his skill set devoted to design and engineering work. 90% of his time at SpaceX is spent on design work, and 60% of his day at Tesla is spent on design work. He is a skilled multitasker who ignores email and avoids the majority of his phone calls. Mondays and Fridays are spent at SpaceX's Los Angeles or Boca Chica facilities, while the remainder of the week is spent at Tesla's San Francisco Bay Area headquarters. Elon will work 42 hours per week at Tesla and 40 hours at SpaceX under this schedule.